Hey everyone, it's Zelda and welcome back to today's video. So today I'm very excited to be showing you what I got from TheBoxFashion. If you haven't heard of them, they're a monthly subscription box, which means that it comes 4 times a year and it's filled with a ton of goodies from fashion to wellness and lifestyle. So how this works is you pay 389 Rand a month, and I love how you get spoiled with a ton of goodies that is worth more than what you're initially paying. This is the autumn box, and I never recorded myself opening it and showing you guys what's in it. I thought it would be fun to show you what's in my box. This is the front of the box. When I first opened this box, it felt like Christmas because I've never gotten one of these before. This is my first box actually. I had no idea what's in here. This is the inside of the box. The first thing that you get in here is this lip book. It's a magazine, the TheBoxFashion magazine. It has like different ways you can style the items that you get in the box. The next thing is just a list of things that is inside your box. Now let's get to the fun part, the actual contents of the box. Firstly, I got these silicone drinking straws. I like the fact that they're silicone. Okay, nowadays the restaurants and stuff, they have decided that they're gonna stop giving people plastic straws, and then they decided to give people these paper straws, and I can't stand those things because you find that your drink isn't even finished but the straw is like all wet and soggy. It's awful. And then I decided to try out metal straws, but then metal straws has this metally aftertaste. I actually tried out these silicone straws and they did not have any aftertaste whatsoever. Next thing I'd like to show you is this scarf. Already opened it. I wore it when I went to go visit my boyfriend's family back in May. This is an autumn box. So the next thing I want to show you is the jewelry that I got in here. There are some earrings, silver bauble earrings, and then a silver bauble bangle and a ring. I really like the fact that they put a perfume strip inside the box so that your items don't end up smelling like cardboard and stuff. Well, the scent's gone now. It smells really good, I'm not gonna lie. I wonder what scent it is. But anyway, the last thing in here is a faded pink laptop sleeve. So that's everything that's in my TheBoxFashion box. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. I really enjoyed the products in this box. If you want your own box, don't forget to head to the link down in the description. One thing you should know, this box is only available to South African citizens. If you enjoyed this video, I'd really appreciate if you can give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, as well as click on the notification bell below to make sure you get notified whenever I upload any new videos. Bye guys!